This is Satya Pradhiman of Cirrus Research. The latest issue of Global Positioning is just out. The title, Quality Bias to Offset Tariff and Temper Volatility. The chart here relates, as we measure it, the tariff blowback betas. And what we've done is taken a look at US firms as they're exposed to various markets with sizable revenue exposures. And in terms of the performance, the idea is that if these baskets were to underperform, then the investors are clearly starting to avoid those areas due to serious tariff risk. What we have seen since the election is a pullback in some of the key regions, such as in areas like Mexico, Central America, parts of Canada, and even Europe. But what we've seen in the last few weeks is a reversal of some of that. So for instance, Canada, Mexico, areas that were especially hit, have started to stabilize. And what this is telling us is that the market is still, while it's still deciding how much of a risk we've got here, it certainly seems as if the market's taking a breath of fresh air to say we may not see the events unfold as maybe we were first concerned of. So still to be seen, and these blowback betas, we're going to continue to update them to really keep track of it, to understand how to position the exposures. In addition to that, a new data point has surfaced, which is the Chinese data in terms of growth and forecast. It had been terribly weak for the last few years. What we've seen in the last few quarters is that the revenue growth has begun to flatten and stabilize. Importantly, though, what is new over the last few months is that the forward estimates have now begun to rebound a bit. It's been severely lagging the rest of the planet, but this is a new sign that we're observing in the data we track. Take a look at the full report, and as always, happy to take your questions.